JIEA integrated down the whole drilling machine startup instructions.
Screw machine oil level. Diesel engine oil level. Check the hydraulic oil level. Check the coolant level of the diesel engine. Diesel fuel filling port. Turn on the power switch of the entire machine. Turn the key to power on and start the machine. Large robotic arm swinging left and right. Large robotic arm pitch adjustment. Vertical adjustment of drilling frame. Horizontal adjustment of drilling rig. Compensation cylinder adjustment. Dust cover adjustment. Leveling cylinder adjustment. Power head up. Power head rotates in both forward and reverse directions. Power head descent. Step up the throttle and increase the diesel engine speed. Move the loading button and the air compressor starts to inflate. Open the flushing ball valve to start working. Step back and walk. Moving forward, walking forward. Fast walking. Dust removal system turned on.